So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Vibe. So in this video I will show you many amazing TV wall design. These ideas are simple, modern and very stylish. If you are planning to decorate your living room or bedroom, this video will give a lot of inspiration. So sit back, relax and enjoy all the design. But before we start, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps us to bring more design video for you. Now let's start with the first design. Here we see a TV mounted on a plain white wall. It looks clean and fresh. A wall mounted TV saves space and make the room look bigger. This style is perfect for a small home and a simple setup. So in this design, the TV is placed on a wooden wall panel. The wood give a warm feeling and make the room cozy. It feels natural and rich. Many modern homes use wood panel because they always look stylish. Here is another design with a big screen TV. The screen covers most of the wall and give a theater-like feel. This setup is perfect if you love watching movie or sport with family and friends. Now see this one. The TV is on a low cabinet with some plants and books around it. The decoration makes the area look more beautiful. If you don't want to hang the TV, this design is simple and useful. This design has light behind the TV. The soft glow makes the wall look special and modern. You can use warm light for a cozy feel or colorful light or a cool look. This is a very popular ideas this day. Here we see a TV with a marble wall background. The marble makes the setup look premium and classy. It is a good choice if you like a luxurious style for your home. Some designs are very simple like this one where the TV is on a plain wall with nothing extra. This is a minimalist look. It feels peaceful and clean. If you love simple style, this design is for you. Look at this showcase design. The TV is in the middle of shelves with book, plants and a small decor item. It looks creative and balanced. The TV becomes part of the decoration, not just a screen. Here is a design with the TV above a fireplace. The warm firelight and the big screen together make the room feel cozy and inviting. This setup is perfect for living room in modern homes. If you are enjoying these ideas, please hit the like button right now and also comment below which TV design you like the most. Wall mounted, cabinet or big screen, I would love to know your choice. Now look at this design where the TV is painted in a soft color. The TV is in the center and the contrast look modern and stylish. You can also try wallpaper behind the TV to make the wall more unique. Some TV are placed on a moving stand. This design is useful because you can turn the TV left or right depending on where you sit. Very practical for flexible space. In a small bedroom, a small size TV look perfect. It does not take much space but still give a nice viewing experience. You can place it on a small table or fix it on the wall. For a large hall, a very big TV look amazing. It makes the whole room feel like a mini cinema. Watching movie on such a setup is a great experience for the whole family. This design has hidden lights inside the cabinet. The soft glow makes the setup modern and stylish. It's simple ideas but it changes the full look of the wall. Here is another smart ideas. The TV is hidden behind a sliding panel. When you don't want to watch, you can close it. The wall look neat and clean. When you want to watch, just slide it open. Some modern homes use a floating cabinet under the TV. The cabinet is fixed on the wall and does not touch the floor. It looks like modern and stylish. You can also place photo frame, plants or speakers on it. Now look at this design with the TV in the middle and shelves on both sides. Soft lights make the shelves shine. The whole wall look like a stylish design piece. This setup is perfect for modern living rooms. Here is a bold design with a dark wall background. The black wall make the TV look brighter and give a theater feel. Dark wall design are very modern and dramatic. Some people love colorful setup in this design. The wall has pattern and design behind the TV. It gives a creative and fun look. If you want something different, you can try wallpaper or texture paints. This one is a very cozy ideas. The TV is placed near a sofa and small plants. The setup look natural and homely. Sometimes simple decoration can make the biggest difference. Friends, if you are enjoying this design, don't forget to subscribe the channel and join the Decor Vibe family. More amazing ideas are waiting for you every day. Now before we finish, let's talk about a few quick tips. If your room is small, go for a medium or a small size TV. If your room is big, a large screen will look better. Use light wall for a clean look and a dark wall bold look. Add soft lights behind the TV for a modern touch. Use a simple cabinet or shelves to make the setup complete. So friends, these were many beautiful TV wall design ideas for your home. For a small cozy setup, for big luxury wall, every design has its own charm. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with more amazing design ideas.